In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your Wix page. Whether you're looking to enhance navigation, improve user engagement, or simply add more functionality to your site, adding a button can make a significant difference. Let's dive into the process and transform your site with just a few clicks. To begin with, you need to open your Wix editor. Once you've logged into your Wix account and loaded the correct site, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu with a variety of options. Click on Add Elements. This is your toolbox for bringing new elements to your pages, like text, images, and of course buttons. When you click Add Elements, a panel will pop up displaying a wide range of options. Now, let's move forward and focus on selecting a button. In the panel, you'll find the Button option. Click on it and you'll see a collection of different button styles. This range includes simple rectangles, icons with text, and stylistically dynamic options with animations. Select the button style that resonates most with your website's design and functionality goals. Consider the aesthetic of your site and the overall user experience you're aiming for, because the button should seamlessly integrate into your existing design. Once you've chosen the type of button, go ahead and click on it. Magic happens here. The button will appear on your page. Placement is now in your hands. Drag and drop the button to your desired location. Bear in mind the user experience. You want your button to be easily visible and accessible. The next step is crucial for personalizing and optimizing the button's functionality. Click on your freshly added button and then click on Settings. This section allows you to tailor the button to better suit your needs. Adjustments you make here can greatly impact how users interact with your site. In the Settings menu, you have a few options. You can rename the button to something that clearly indicates its purpose. For instance, if it's a call to action button, naming it something action-oriented like Get Started or Learn More can be effective. Next, you can alter the color scheme. The color not only affects the visual appeal, but also its attention-grabbing ability. Be sure it stands out enough but also complements your site's palette. Finally, you have the option to link the button to any URL or web page within your site. This is where your button becomes functional. Decide where you want your button to direct your visitors, whether it's another page on your site, a contact form, or an external resource. And with that, you've successfully added and configured a button on your Wix page. With these enhancements, your site becomes easier to navigate and more engaging for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building.